What's poppin', what's shaking, what's baking, what's the good word, everyone? My name is Afro Mark, and today I'm making the Tequila Sunrise. So the Tequila Sunrise is another 3-ingredient drink that uses tequila, orange juice, and grenadine in a 1 to 2 to about 0.25 ratio. So let's build this drink. So first, we're gonna fill the glass with ice. And now we're going to add 2 ounces of tequila. Follow that with 4 ounces of orange juice. And finally, we're gonna finish that off with just about 1/4 ounce of grenadine. Now, whenever we're pouring the grenadine, we have to make sure that we pour down the side of the glass instead of directly in the middle, because then we get a nice color blend. And we're gonna finish this off with a cherry garnish. So there it is, the Tequila Sunrise. Once again, it used the tequila, orange juice, and grenadine. Super simple drink that's easy to make. And I'm gonna have my cameraman come on screen and try it just so you have a non-biased opinion. Save the turtles.
That was a lot of alcohol in there. More alcohol than I expected. That's refreshing.
You can always cut back on the amount of tequila if you want less alcohol, and just add in more orange juice to compensate for that loss of liquid. So if you like this drink and you want to see more drinks like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time on a brand new show.